Hey everyone! Today we're going to look at how to pixelate a photo or an image. And I'm going to show you this using two of my favorite tools, Canva and Snagit. Snagit is an image editing tool in the sense that if you take a screenshot, if you want to make small adjustments to an image, it is perfect. It gives you a lot of flexibility and you can do a lot more with it for your images, but it's not Photoshop. And you also have Canva, which is primarily a graphic design tool, but you can also do a little bit of image editing. So let's say that you want to pixelate an image using Canva or Snagit. I will show you step by step in how you can do both of these in each of the tools. But before we get started, if you do not have Canva or Snagit or either or both, then just try out, give it a free trial. The links are in the description. You can get a 30-day trial for Canva or a 15-day trial for Snagit. And yeah, try out the tools and let me know. So let's jump into it. Hey everyone. Today we look at a quick tutorial on how to pixelate a photo. And we're going to do that with the tool that I use mostly for imaging, editing any images or screenshots on a regular basis to add call outs and shapes and just for my blog purposes. So we're going to look at Snagit on how to pixelate a photo. And it's super, super simple. So you just go here. You have, let's say you have your image here. You go to More. And then you go to blur, and in blur you will have blur or pixelate. So you just take your pixelate, you adjust your intensity, but don't worry, you can do the intensity part later as well. And you just highlight the place that you want to pixelate in the photo. So for example, I want to pixelate the face. And then I think, okay, maybe this is too much pixelation. I want to be able to see the face a little bit. And then I can adjust it and make it lesser. Or I think, I want to make it really, really pixelated, like almost a blur. And then I drag it. So it really depends on how much intensity you want. You can also just drag it to pixelate more or less, or just move it around as you please. So that's it. That is how easy it is to pixelate a photo using Snagit. If you want to know more about Snagit, you can do two things. One, download the software and try it for free for 15 days. And you can also look at my other tutorials on what else you can do on Snagit. I use it mostly to do these quick edits and editing screenshots and converting screenshots, saving them in a different way. As you can see, these are all screenshots over here. So yeah, that's how you can pixelate a photo using Snagit. The other tool that you can use to pixelate your photo or an image is Canva. All you have to do is select the photo, then you go to apps, and you look for an app called Pixelify. There you go. And it will immediately start pixelating your image. Just like Snagit, you can control the extent of your pixelation, little bit, too much, little lesser, etc. And then you can just replace it. And here it will pixelate your entire photo. So that's another way to do it. But the difference between Canva and Snagit is that in Snagit, you can control the area of the photo that you want to pixelate. You can choose a certain part of a photo. For example, if you're uploading on social media, and you want to just blur the person's face, but keep the rest of it, then it's easier to use Snagit instead of Canva. But yeah, they are both very good tools to pixelate, and you can also get them with a free trial. Just try them out and see which one works for you. I personally, as I said, prefer Snagit because of the extent of control it gives me. But if you want to pixelate the whole thing, then Canva is great as well. All right, hope this helps you. Links are again in the description. Feel free to check them out, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.